It's kind of like throwing darts blindfolded. People who dive into the stock market without any clue often rely on luck more than strategy. Sometimes they just get lucky and pick winners. Other times they don't. The trick isn't so much in the picking itself, but in the consistency and the willingness to keep learning. Think of the market as a roaring river. If you just jump in without knowing how to swim, the equivalent of not knowing what you're doing, you're relying on floating debris, luck, to get you to shore. But here's the cool part. Even people who start clueless can educate themselves quickly nowadays. We're living in the information age. Resources like Investopedia or financial YouTubers can turn a finance newbie into a savvy investor in no time. Not to mention the countless books out there. Now, responsible investing doesn't mean you're going for broke trying to score big on a hot tip from your brother-in-law who knows a guy. It means setting aside a little money each month, diversified across different assets like stocks and bonds, and just letting it sit there. Think slow cooker, not microwave. In Portland, we've got a culture of DIY and sustainability. People here love the idea of growing their own herbs, fixing their own bikes, and yes, learning how to invest their own dough. It's about being proactive enough to educate oneself on the whys and hows of investing. And bonds? They're the tortoises in this race. Lower risk, sure, but slow and steady can win it. Especially when the stock market decides to do its best impression of an 80s breakdancer spinning on its head. In short, people get rich by investing in stocks, bonds, etc., without knowing what they're doing by sheer luck. But the ones who stay rich, or at least don't lose their shirts, are the ones who buckle down and learn, turning blind luck into a strategy. And trust me, being strategic about your investments is a lot more rewarding and a lot less stressful. And if you're in Portland, or anywhere really, take advantage of the local resources. Seminars, workshops, even library books. The more you know, the less you're gambling and the more you're growing your wealth with intent. Keep educating yourself and those blindfolded darts will start hitting bullseyes more frequently.